Advantages of using scroll compressor in air conditioner. A lot of manufacturers are producing appliances with scroll compressors for air conditioning. Scroll compressors offer many advantages over other types of air compressors, which makes them an ideal choice for home and medical HVAC systems. Below we have briefly discussed some of the advantages of using a scroll compressor for air conditioning. Very quiet. Most scroll compressors are exceptionally compared to other air compressors. A scroll compressor functions without any contact between its rotating spirals. Therefore, there is almost no vibration or noise. Oil-free design. One of the unique perks of scroll compressors is that they can function without lubrication. Therefore, the oil-free design of the scroll compressor reduces the chances of contaminating the discharged air, so they are very suitable for home and medical applications. Low power consumption. Scroll compressors offer superior volumetric efficiency compared to other air compressors. So, you will get more output cooling for the equal amount of power consumed by other air compressors. Though, there are some variations in the scroll-type air conditioning compressor with a difference in power consumption. So you can choose the one that meets your budget and cooling needs. Efficient cooling. Scroll compressors can run cooler than other air compressors. Moreover, some types of scroll compressors can function continuously without the need to stop. So, the air conditioner scroll compressor offers consistent airflow and precise control over temperature and humidity. Therefore, it provides superior comfort to the user. Get high-quality air conditioner scroll compressor parts from Sunrise Metal. Why Sunrise Metal for air conditioner scroll compressor? Because we are one of the leading aluminum die casting manufacturers in China, and we can produce top-notch precision scroll die casting parts for your company. We are a B2B scroll die casting parts manufacturer and supplier, able to meet small to large volume die casting demands. If you are an air conditioner or scroll compressor brand looking for a qualified manufacturer, then you have come to the right place. Have a look at our capabilities and decide for yourself whether or not we are up to the challenge. Complete production solution from design to finishing. Sunrise Metal has 4 production facilities with more than 182 skilled employees and engineers. Our experienced designers can help you design or improve your product to ensure the highest cost efficiency for production. Moreover, you will find all sorts of manufacturing facilities here, such as rapid prototyping, rapid tooling, die casting, CNC machining, surface treatment. So, you need not worry about keeping in contact with multiple suppliers and increasing your production time in the process. Moreover, we have sophisticated quality control equipment and a dedicated quality management team to ensure high quality and consistency for precision scroll compressor die casting parts. On-time delivery worldwide. We not only produce scroll die casting parts, but also ensure safe and quick delivery of them. We have more than 500 satisfied international client base. Therefore, feel free to contact us for your manufacturing needs. We also accept high-mix, low-volume projects, so OEM and startups are welcome to contact us. You will be happy to help. What are the different types of scroll compressor for air conditioning? There are different types of scroll compressors used for air conditioning, such as fixed speed scroll compressor, variable capacity scroll compressor, variable speed scroll compressor. The aforementioned type of scroll compressor has its unique perks, as well as some disadvantages as well. But most scroll-type air conditioning compressors for home are either fixed speed or variable speed air compressors. Fixed-speed scroll compressors are the simplest and cheapest type of air compressor. You will see them more often in older air conditioners. They are great for compressing air, but they are not very efficient in air conditioning due to less control over the operating temperature. However, there is a variation of the fixed-speed scroll compressor known as the 2-stage scroll compressor. It functions similarly but is able to operate at 2 fixed speed ranges. It either operates at a 65% capacity or 100% capacity to improve the cooling efficiency. Variable capacity and variable speed compressors use a modulating technology. They are also respectively known as digital compressor and inverter compressors. They both offer better temperature management, thus are more efficient scroll compressors for air conditioning. Why inverter scroll compressors are more popular in air conditioners? Inverter scroll compressor is also known as variable speed scroll compressor. They are becoming more popular in home HVAC systems due to the additional benefits they offer along with the perks of a regular or fixed type air conditioner. Below we have discussed the key factors why inverter scroll compressors are a more preferable choice for air conditioners. Power efficiency. The best thing about air conditioner scroll compressors using inverter technology is their superior power efficiency over other types of compressors. They draw less power than a conventional scroll compressor, yet offers better cooling efficiency. Moreover, they are very efficient at precise temperature control, yet they do not require as much power as a digital or variable capacity compressor. Noise-free operation. Inverter compressors operate extremely quietly, just like a conventional oil-free scroll compressor. Therefore, they are great for quiet environments such as home, medical, library, and office HVAC systems. Efficient cooling. Inverter scroll compressors don't need to turn off after a certain period like a conventional scroll compressor. They can function continuously without overheating. Therefore, they can manage a consistent temperature in a room. Humidity control and consistent airflow. Air conditioner scroll compressor with inverter technology can lower the humidity in a room. Therefore, you can raise the thermostat temperature to higher limits than other compressors. So, the air conditioner will consume less power. Moreover, the airflow is continuous in an inverter air conditioner, so you won't feel any fluctuations in room temperature. Although, having so many advantages, it may not be affordable for everyone, as inverter air conditioners are much costlier. However, due to its superior power efficiency, an initial investment might be worth it considering the long-term savings in electricity bills.